Hello friend, this is Dr. Magaranna from Magarangi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's our topic is synthesis of insulin. How insulin is synthesized in the beta cell of pancreas. Let's look at that one. This is the beta cell of pancreas. Beta cell of pancreas. In the beta cell of pancreas, first of all, pre-proinsulin is formed. Pre-proinsulin means pre-proinsulin is composed of four things: alpha chain, beta chain. Alpha chain and beta chain are connected to each other by C peptide, and this is the amino terminal of the beta chain. Signal peptide is attached to the amino terminal of beta chain of pre-proinsulin. Signal peptide get detached or gone or separated from these three. Then remaining structure is called as proinsulin. Whenever the word prefix pro comes, that means that things is inactive. So this insulin is inactive. It does not do its functions. So C peptide, which connects the beta chain and which connect the alpha chain and beta chain of insulin. This C peptide gets separated. The remaining two chains get attached to each other by a bond. That bond is called peptide bond. And this is the insulin structures, alpha chain and beta chain. This is the structure of insulin. C peptide gets separated from this proinsulin to form insulin. And this insulin has two chains, alpha chain plus beta chain. Alpha chain has 21 amino acids and beta chain has 30 amino acids. Don't get confused with beta, because it is the structure of insulin. Pancreas, beta cell of pancreas, which secrete the insulin, and in the structure of insulin we have alpha chain and beta chain. It is a chain, beta chain, and it is a cell, that is beta cell of pancreas. In previous video we have talked about the anatomy and physiology of the pancreas. In that we have already see that beta cell of pancreas secrete the insulin. This is beta cell of pancreas secrete the insulin. This is the trick for remembering the hormones secreted by the endocrine part of the pancreas. The endocrine part is nothing but the islet of Langerhans. In that we have four major cells, that is alpha cell, beta cell, delta cell and pancreatic polypeptide cell. Alpha cell secrete glucagon, beta cell secrete insulin, delta cell secrete somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide cell secrete pancreatic polypeptide hormone. This is the trick for remembering the hormones secreted by the endocrine part of the pancreas. That is four major cells. How to remember the synthesis of insulin? First of all, you have to remember that insulin is synthesized in the beta cell of pancreas. In that we have four things. First of all, pre-proinsulin is formed, which has four parts: alpha chain, beta chain. Alpha chain and beta chain are connected to each other by C peptide, and this is the amino terminal of beta chain. Signal peptide attached to the amino terminal of beta chain. These four things constitute the pre-proinsulin. From pre-proinsulin, proinsulin is formed. How? Signal peptide get detached or get separated, and the remaining parts forms the proinsulin. Whenever the word pro comes, that means that structure is insulin. That structure is inactive. Alpha chain and beta chain are connected to each other by C peptide. C peptide gets separated, and alpha chain and beta chain connected to each other by bond, and this structure forms the insulin. Structure of insulin has two parts: alpha chain and beta chain. Alpha chain has 20 amino acids and beta chain has 30 amino acids. C peptide is again a protein which again has 35 amino acids. Insulin also a protein. That's why it is made up of insulin. That's why it is made up of amino acids. Too many amino acids joined together to form proteins. This is how insulin is synthesized in the beta cell of pancreas.